Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Paracord Stuff. Today's project is called Victor. This one has a 4-strand core, which consists of 2 strands at 14 inches melded together to form a loop. The colors that we'll be using is red and black. We'll also be using fids to make it easier. The base color is black. It's 48 inches or 121.92 centimeters. The accent color is red. It also has fids to make it easier to use. It is 84 inches long or 213.36 centimeters. You'll also need a lighter or some kind of fire, a pair of scissors, a knife, or any sharp object you want to use to cut the cord. You'll also need a presser or something to mash the heated ends down. Wow. Let's get started. Alright, let's finish setting up the core. Down to the slot. Keep it to the left side. Over. Under. Up through. And down to the loop. The next side, same thing. Down. Up on the right side, cross over, down, up through the loop, and cross, and we put it together, and let's use some paracord magic. Hey, and it's done. Okay, let's finish the setup. We're going to be going through the cow hitches. Base color, black, put through, center it. The accent color is red, and also goes through the loop in between cow hitches, and we center it. Okay, here we go, and we want red to kind of be on the bottom. Starting off with the black. From the right side, right side, underneath, up in between 1 and 2, going across, over the other black. It stays under everything, across, and up between 3 and 4. Now, take the red on the right side, down to the center, and up in between 3 and 4. Take the red from the left side, same thing, down to the center, up, in between 1 and 2. everything up, cinch it. And you want to be a little on the tight side, but not really over tight. Now, continue with the red, and on the right side, up to the center, down to the loop on the right side, tighten down, red on the left side, under everything. Oh, excuse me. Yeah. Up to the middle, between 2 and 3. Down to the loop you created. And tighten. And cinch. Now, that's the whole pattern. Now we'll continue. Black on the right side, underneath everything, up between 1 and 2, over, keeping the black on the left side, black on the left side, under everything, up between 3 and 4, set to the side. The red on the right side, up over everything, down in the middle between 2 and 3, and up in between 3 and 4. The red on the left side, over everything, down to the center between 2 and 3, up between 1 and 2, push it up, cinch, and again on the right side, red under everything, up between 2 and 3, down to the loop, red on the left side, rinse and repeat, up through the middle between 2 and 3, down to the loop on the left side. Okay, again, black from the right side, underneath everything, up in between 1 and 2, and go over the black on the left side. Now, the black from the left side, under everything, up between 3 and 4. Red from the right side, over everything, down to the center, in between 2 and 3, up in between 3 and 4 from the bottom, red from the left side, over, cross, down to the middle, between 2 and 3, up, between 1 and 2, cinch everything everything up. Tighten. Right from the right side, under everything, up to the middle between 2 and 3, excuse me, and down between the loop you made on the right side. Tighten. On the left side, under everything, up between 2 and 3, between 2 and 3, down to the left, to the loop that you just made. Tighten. Now, you should have everything now. Let's kind of move it down to about right in here. A little bit of paracord magic. And now. Oh, that didn't work. Try it again. And let's finish it.